All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Bonk token, giving you guys my daily analysis on the price. Usually, I would prefer to do it every other day, but due to your guys' overwhelming support and request, I'm bringing you guys these daily updates for Bonk. So continue smashing that like button, hitting that red subscribe button, and you will continuously see daily Bonk updates. And that is a promise from me, but you guys need to show me that massive like button, which you guys are doing. So if we're looking as of February the 11th, which is Sunday, of course, Super Bowl weekend, let me know down below what you think, which team will win, 49ers or Chiefs. Let me know down below. But if you're looking at the market, we're starting to see a little bit of red across the board, but some of the coins are still up quite a bit. So, reason as to why I'm seeing a little bit of a minor retracement in some of the coins is because of Bitcoin dominance shooting up. So that is that. But let's take a look at Bonk, because that is what everyone is here for. So if we're looking at the price of Bonk right now, it is currently sitting at 12.53, seeing a pullback of about 5.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 7% in BTC comparative. Before anyone comes out and says, oh man, Bonk is dumping this and that, let's look at the bigger picture, guys. Bonk has been killing it over the past 2 to 3 days, so you got to give it some break. And so if we're looking at its market cap, $762.7 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 118.6 million. But let's take a step further and see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So of course we're going to start off with Bitcoin, because even though this is a meme coin, I want you guys to start making it a habit to actually always analyze the price of Bitcoin and see what exactly is happening with BTC. So if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, about half an hour left until we close out the daily candle. It would be really nice to see the price of Bitcoin closing the daily candle around here. We're really close towards its yearly high, and if it's able to close its daily candle here, I'm very optimistic that we could even be seeing a new yearly high this upcoming week ahead of us. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin is looking amazing. But on the other hand, right now Bitcoin is gaining a lot of traction, a lot of momentum. People are taking profits out of their altcoin positions and putting into Bitcoin, because they're expecting, even if Bitcoin were to have a fail rejection at the 48,800, Bitcoin does tend to hold better compared to altcoins. And that is the entire situation, how it's trending out, and which is causing the Bitcoin dominance index to go up. As you can see this for yourself, Bitcoin dominance index is pushing up to 54%, which speaks for itself, which tells you momentum is more on the Bitcoin side. And if you don't understand the Bitcoin dominance index and why it's so important, let's give you guys a brief overall look towards that. So as of now, the overall market valuation for the entire crypto space, not just Bitcoin, the entire crypto space, we're almost sitting at $1.91 trillion. And, Bitcoin dominance, what that shows you is the dominance index. So right now we're sitting at 54% in Bitcoin dominance index. That means that this right here, the market cap, the overall market valuation for the entire crypto space, 1.90 trillion. So 54% of that is literally solely in BTC. So of course, if that numbers, the dominance number shoots up, we do tend to see altcoins start lagging behind. So that is why the dominance index is so important. So I hope that answers your question, if you did have that question to begin with. But let's take a look at Bonk right now. So I'm going to first, the question that we get on a day-to-day basis is, how far are we to hit a new all-time high? So let's start with that. So in order for Bonk to hit a new all-time high, it needs to move about 185% from its current position where it's currently trading. So I hope that answers your question, but let's take a look at it on the closer time scale. So the next 30 minutes are very important for Bonk, Bonk, because that is when we're going to see the daily candle for the February 11th close. But what you're seeing happening right now is, of course, we know that we broke out of that key resistance, which I was speaking about. We saw the price go up all the way to this 1447 zone. And if you want to put that price, move into perspective, just on February 7th, which is not even a week back, if you were accumulating Bonk, you did see Bonk run up 43.6%, guys. This is a significant move that, a lot of people don't realize. How much again? I totally forgot. Wow. There we go. 43%. 43% gain is not a small gain. And you can see this for yourself. We're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. And again, a minor pullback after having a significant move like this is very much normal. But what you're seeing happening right now is the price is below that crucial, support line. And I don't want to see that happening. So what I would love to see, honestly, what I would love to see is, let me put this into perspective for you guys. First of all, we just need a move of about 2.65% from the current price of in the next half hour to see the price close once again above this resistance, and that would mean 2 days in a row that we have seen the price close above this resistance. And of course that would be extremely bullish, to say the least. But right now, of course, if that were not to happen, we are supported by some key support level, which you can pretty much see this for yourself. And if this support were not to hold, you could pretty much see the 1212 zone is, of course, another key support line for Bonk itself. But of course, you guys know my stance for Bonk in the long term. I think Bonk has a huge potential as far as a meme coin is concerned, and a meme coin that is bringing utility and bringing unique ways to interact and give away to the community members. And I think this is going to help them so much in the upcoming bull run, of course, which we're already in. It's not upcoming no more, we're already in that bull market. But once that parabolic season begins, I think Bonk is going to be one of the ones that is going to be attractive to a lot of newcomers, because of course a meme coin, people love meme coins, let's face it. And I think for this cycle, originally it was Pepe. We know that originally it was Pepe, but I think that time has changed, and Pepe's team, honestly fumbled the bag. And I've been quite clear, if you've been following me on my channel from the beginning, I don't say unrealistic things. I always criticize where criticizing is deserved, and I was criticizing the Pepe team quite a bit because a lack of engaging, because at the end of the day, you're a meme coin, and if you're not engaging, you're just and a lot of shady things at the back going on as well. And since then, guess what I've done? I don't care about Pepe, and community does not deserve that. But this is where meme coin risk factor gets into play. But what Bonk is doing is it's doing everything that Pepe did not do. It's interacting with your community, it's giving back, doing engagement in such a unique way that we have not seen before. Even Shiba Inu has not been able to do such thing, and I think this is going to help a lot in the upcoming future. Not a lot of people see it, but I'm very confident that we will see Bonk pull that off. But of course, one step at a time. There will be times where you do see a little bit of a pullback, consolidation, but in the next half hour, you do want to see the daily candle close. That would be lovely to see. But we're going to take it one step at a time. If you guys are enjoying these daily updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. Also, let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.